Hey, how you guys doing today? So I'm back. It's April 16th, Monday. The reason why I'm making this video is because I don't know about you guys, but I had a code come up on the truck. The code, I had a check gauge light and also the little red Thunderbolt light. It came up on the truck. So I obviously first thing Google, went to the forums, Reddit. They're like, oh yeah, check your terminals. I'm gonna be doing that. By looking at terminals up, when you look at them real quick, it doesn't look like they're, you don't have the battery acid on them and stuff like that. When you look closer at it, you can see where the corrosion is at. So we're going to clean that up using some household normal things you might have lying around the house. If you don't, you can also get this for less than $3 at Walmart or dollar store, wherever. So first I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the code I'm getting, what it looks like on the light, and then from there I'm gonna show you guys how we go about cleaning it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and turned the key forward. I'm sorry about the chime, it's extremely annoying. So when you usually turn the key, these lights here, if it ever wants to focus, these lights here, that left one, that red one, that one is off now, which is actually kind of surprising. All right, you guys, so it's really windy out here, but I'm going to show you guys. So if you get up close on my battery terminals, you can see like in the crack right there, my fingernails pointing at, that's white stuff, that's battery acid. This one over here is real rusty, or it's not real rusty, but it has surface rust on it. I'm going to show you guys, you don't even have to take your terminals off to clean it. It's super simple, the good old-fashioned baking soda and water trick. All right, it works really good. You guys will probably like it if you haven't known about it before, but I like it, so I'm gonna do that real quick, show you guys what it looks like when it happens, and then we'll go from there. Okay, all right, you guys, so I got the battery here, the terminal set up here. This is gonna be your negative, this is my positive. Sorry if this is, I was trying to get you guys the best view on it. I apologize if it looks, kind of blurry or something. But yeah. All right, you guys. So I went ahead. Right here, we got the negative terminal. We got the positive terminal over here. I'm sorry about this one looking so dark. Right now, and also apologize real quick. There's not a lot of stuff on it. So what you can go ahead and do. I also have a lot of wires on here. Go ahead and scrape them up good. Here with some baking soda, dab it on there, get a nice coat. It's windy out here, so the wind is blowing it away, go figure, and I'm trying to record. All right. Get that. Here you come with some water. I'm using distilled water, but it doesn't, I don't think it's going to make a difference. The water I'm using. And it's going to eat up all that stuff. Okay. And then once that's done, you just come back with a rag and just dry everything, and you'll be good. Dry up all this mess. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and crank her up, see if that code and light comes on, go from there. Alright, so far I do not have it. Everything looks fine. I'll keep my eye on it. I'm pretty sure that would do it, because there have been times in the morning where if it's real cold, I have to play with my terminals a little bit because it won't crank. It'll click, but it won't turn over. Those batteries are brand new. Those batteries are fine. I know there's nothing wrong with the batteries. But yeah. Okay, you guys. So yeah, I went ahead and did that. Just a little quick short video. Nothing crazy. Nothing, tremendous or anything like that. What else? Oh yeah. Also, I went ahead. I have the correct steering brace on order. It's actually got shipped already this morning. So be looking forward to that video soon. The proper installation. I ended up going with a better kit. They actually had pictures showing like how it looks installed and stuff, so I feel better knowing that these guys are going to send me something that's actually good and not just a piece of Chinese crap. So other than that, I also have another install video that's going to be coming up. I'm not going to say what this video is. I think it'll look nice it's going to look nice on the truck. I'll give you a hint. It's going to be on the inside of the truck, not the outside or not in the engine. But it's going to be a nice install and it's going to look clean. I'm really looking forward to putting it on. All right. So with that being said, you guys, also thank you guys for watching this video, checking it out. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. Welcome all new subscribers once again. I actually had a few people message me about these stickers and I was actually surprised. They said they like the t-shirts, but they were asking about stickers. So I know more people like stickers over t-shirts just because, you know, it's cheaper, and you know, if you don't want the sticker, you just peel it off, throw it away. So I'm definitely going to be getting into the sticker game. Looking forward to that. I got people, you know, Mexico, Canada. It's crazy, man. It's really crazy. I really appreciate it. Also, I just remember this. I will be making a video. It's going to be a review on my fuel rail plug. Okay. If you guys remember a while back, I had the $10 mod and it was the fuel rail plug. Okay. We took out the stock one, put the actual plug delete in there. I've had a lot of people, naysayers and yaysayers. I've had a lot of people, you know, they have curiosities or they kind of feel skeptic about it, like, oh well, it should be there for a reason, you know, safety feature and stuff. People ask me, you know, how's it holding up, how's your truck doing and stuff like that. Real quick on that, I'm not going to talk about it too much. Real quick on that, my truck is doing perfectly fine. Since I've put that plug in, I've had, and even before, I had no issues, no injection codes, nothing like that. It's been hunky-dory, you know. So I'm gonna make a nice little video about that, reviewing it. I'm gonna have some facts, some statistics on it, some proven stuff. That way you guys feel a little bit more safe or a little bit more comfortable doing something like that. Because I know a lot of people out there, you guys are a little hesitant. You guys are like, that, you know, it is what it is. There's no problem with that. You know, everybody's truck is their truck. They have the right to do whatever they want to do with it. I have it on my truck, my engine, and no complaints whatsoever. Okay, so please be looking forward for a video for the steering brace soon. A video for that also. Oh, one sec. I had freaking people calling me asking me about trying to sell me stuff. I can't stand that. All right, so yes, like I was saying, be on the lookout for a video for the steering brace and also for me talking about this rail plug and the rail plug review. If there's any other components I installed on this truck you guys seen, if you want me to do like a review video on it, feel free, just let me know. I'll make one. I have no problem making a review video on anything I've done to this truck so far. I'll be 100% honest. I'll be 100% biased. I'll give you my personal opinion and experience with it. So feel free. Like I said, you got anything you want to mention, drop it in the comment box. I appreciate the support. I appreciate all you guys joining in, watching, and just being engaged with the channel. It means so much to me. So until next time, you guys be safe, take care, and peace out. Once again, God bless.